and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a journey from the bustling city of Mumbai to the serene beaches of Goa, and we're going to take the overnight train. Let's go! The journey begins at Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus CSMT, formerly known as Victoria Terminus. The station itself is an attraction thanks to its magnificent Victorian Gothic architecture. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is also a hub of activity, always teeming with commuters, vendors, and travelers from all walks of life. It is equipped with a range of facilities including restrooms, food stalls, a capsule hotel, luggage storage service, and separate waiting areas for ladies and gents. I initially wanted to find a place to charge my phone, but out of the many charging points in this room, only 2 are functioning and they're both in use. There's also a paid waiting lounge with better facilities, but it's full at the moment. Hi, how much is it to just charge my phone?
अभी नहीं मैडम, स्पेशल नहीं, फुल है।
Full? Oh, okay. Thank you. Train tickets can be purchased online on their official website. It's much cheaper than buying from third-party agents. There are 5 different classes on an Indian sleeper train to accommodate different levels of comfort and budgets. The first one is the first class AC, which is the most luxurious option with private lockable compartments, air conditioning, bedding, and meals included. The 2-tier AC features air-conditioned open compartments with 4 berths, 2 lower and 2 upper, and 2 side berths. Curtains offer some privacy and bedding is provided. The 3-tier AC is similar to 2A but with an additional middle berth, creating 6 berths per bay. Is air-conditioned with bedding provided but doesn't come with curtains. Next is the sleeper class, is the most common class with non-air conditioned compartments containing 6 berths per bay and 2 side berths. No bedding is provided and it can be crowded and noisy. And lastly, the general unreserved is the cheapest and most basic option with no reserved seats. Passengers often stand or sit wherever space is available, making it very crowded and less comfortable. I'm taking the 3-tier AC coach. I don't think I'm quite brave enough to try the sleeper or general unreserved class on my own. Excuse me, is this coach number 12?
No.
No.
This is B2.
B2. There are people selling all sorts of things on board, from food to phone chargers. The train attendant will hand you the beddings, but you'll have to make your own bed. If you're on the second or third tier, there's a safety strap to keep you from falling. And you have to climb this ladder here. I wouldn't recommend the upper berths if you're not limber enough. This is how the toilet looks like. People will be boarding and disembarking at various stations throughout the night. You will have to set your own alarm and be aware of your location because there is no announcement. The main station in Goa is Madgaon Station, but I'm getting off at Karmali because it's closer to where I'll be staying. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video as I will take you on a journey through Goa.